Hi everyone, I'm here to talk about analysis capture tools. Analysis capture tools let you document the statistical analyses that you perform during the course of your project. They help you summarize, organize, and identify why you choose a particular analysis and how you did it. These forms let you concisely tell the story of your analysis, condensing all the data sheets and graphs that were used into an easy-to-read synopsis of your work. While some analysis capture tools may contain other sections according to the analysis, most contain 4 main sections. The summary section, where you state your objectives for doing the analysis and your conclusions. The data section, where you can describe the inputs, outputs, and any grouping variables used in the graph. The analysis section, which lets you paste output directly into the form. And finally, the results section, which captures your observations unless you define the next steps you need to take. You can see how analysis capture tools let you create a snapshot of the work involved in your analysis. Stakeholders can quickly scan the page to see a clear overview of your analysis and its findings. For more information and videos, go to www.minitab.com.